Welcome to Mr. English Official!
Practice real English with Adam and Lena.
Here, you learn English in a simple and friendly way.
No stress, no pressure.
We help you speak English with confidence.
Using real-life conversations.
On this channel, you will practice English speaking.
You will listen to easy, natural conversations.
On this channel, we talk about daily life. Harif.
Work, home, food, plans, and feelings.
This channel is perfect for beginners.
For students.
Yes.
And for adults who want to improve step by step.
We upload new videos every week.
So you can learn, practice, and speak English naturally.
Start your English journey with us.
Let's learn together.
Subscribe to Mr. English Official today!
Tarpway!